What's up, besties? Welcome back to Aaliyah in the house YouTube channel.
Guys,
So right now we're at our car.
Armani's in the car.
Armani's doing her. Armani's doing Armani's her.
She got a new hair too.
Armani's doing her YouTube video. I'm doing mine. We're going to a car wash.
I'm recording.
Yeah, you're doing your YouTube video. You're about to post. Yeah, I'm about to post this video on my YouTube channel. That's why I said, hello, besties. Welcome back to Aaliyah in the house YouTube channel.
Welcome back. I was just going in there. Now
we're at a car wash. It is my sister.
Daddy, pick it up.
My sister Armani, she has been there twice, and my whole entire life I always wanted to go to a car wash.
She's here at one time. Two times.
This is my first time going to a car wash. I love car washes.
She likes car washes.
Yes, that was my dream.
She never been there before.
And this is my dream.
Do you see that girl? The girl that's standing up.
Oh.
It was just a stop. I'm scared. I'm excited. It's a long line. I'm excited and scared. Both. I'm excited.
I don't know why that car is getting car washed. That car's already clean. Oh, never mind. A top.
Ew, I see bird poop.
That's what people do. When you grow up, it's going to be bird poop on yours too, and then you're going to have to clean it up too.
Why is in my car is dirty? I'm gonna clean it. Daddy, your car is clean. You just want to go there, Daddy.
Yeah.
I'm really excited and scared. Oh!
Okay, the car is moving. Oh, somebody's already in there. You see the air?
It's scary. It's scary, Aaliyah. Scary.
Ooh. It's dark anyways.
It's dark and scary. It's going to be really dark like it's nighttime.
Okay, try to see it.
Well, you
can't really see it because of the car in front of us. So don't show it, Armand. Don't show the camera to that car. So you're going to show it to the right.
Okay, hi, I'm excited.
Two more cars.
And we had the car wash and one. She been one time and I've been two times.
I haven't been here before, but this is my first time.
I'm super scared. I'm scared and excited.
See, it's like this. The cars are attached. It's attached. Then, if I put these two braids.
I'm scared and excited and scary.
I just got it done yesterday, so
I'm scared and excited and scary.
Ouch.
Look at her hair.
Look at her hair.
Purple and I got only black. And what
this ain't purple, this is dark pink.
Okay, but
look at mine's hair.
Oh, it's raining.
Right, sit down.
It's raining. It's raining.
It's not raining outside. It's so clear.
No, look inside. You see?
Well, not clear, but
it's
hot outside.
Okay, you guys are getting ready because this one car is in me. Us. Okay, this is scary. Dude, Daddy.
It's when. Remember in that video is when somebody was in the car and this. Oh, it looks so scary. This one.
Daddy, put your window.
Alright, put it in neutral, no brakes, no steering.
Oh. Okay. Look at this car. It's blue. See? This is scary. Oh, I want to get out of here.
like a thunderstorm. It looks like it's raining. It's so black.
How you make this when it's soapy?
Look at the chandelier. Look at my window. I can't see.
This is scary. I want to get out of here. Ah! It looks like a monster. Ah! Ah! It's really dark.
It's scary.
Ah! See, it's dark.
It got me. It's black.
Ah!
I can see. I can
How
see.
you make this?
Look at them.
How you make this when it's soapy and you're gonna get it in your eyes?
Look at everybody's window. Mine's is starting to get black.
Ah, look at it. It's so scary. This is the best day ever.
Look. There's a washing it off.
Washing it. This is the end. Already. This is the end already. Oh!
Ooh.
Oh, that feels good now. Whoa! What is that? It's blurry now. Oh, this is fun.
This is cool. Because I like the rainbow lights.
Oh,
Look at the back. It's so dark.
look, Aaliyah, look at the front.
Oh. It's
Is it
change
scary?
colors.
What? More water?
Look at that car. That car's business. Look at the back. It's rainbow.
Oh. This is fun. I want to do it again. Now I want some air. Some fresh air to wash those.
So like the thunder. It's just the air though.
Oh, look at that car.
Look at the back.
Look at that car. Look at that car. How to make that with a soap in there? Oh, we finally
That
found
was so cool.
Finally out there. That was scary. That was scary, but bye-bye.
That was so cool. That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.